Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome. So I'm at a Kia dealership. Very hot day, so I'm very casually dressed, excuse the flip-flops, but the reason I'm here is because inside is the Kia EV6. Let's show you around it. I was going to do this on the GoPro and walk around it because it's quite confined, it's quite noisy in here, but I'll show you everything I can about it. It's got some really cool details and bits that I really like about it. I was going to show you in person what I can with this camera. So let's start off right here. So this is finished in a matte steel grey, and in the flesh this does look really, really good. A really impressive finish to it, and I don't know what it'd be like to keep in the long term, but it looks fantastic. I really like the look of this. So pretty mean at the front. I'll show you down here, and we'll have a look down here. We've got a sort of front camera system, got radar systems, and if it's like the Ioniq 5, yeah, it's got some flaps in here. Yeah, I noticed on the Ioniq 5 I saw the other day that it had these active flaps that were moving there. Got matrix LED headlights. They look like they're going to be good, don't they? So this is a pre-production car. So actually these wheels would be on the GT line, which isn't actually going to be the first one out yet, but they're on this car. It's pretty good. You've got two 55/45 R20s on this. They're pretty good. What do you think? You can see that there's some cameras under the wing mirrors here as well. I'll show you this bodywork from a few different angles. It does look really, really good in the flesh. We've got pop-out door handles. So you can see here, pull them out. That's good. I'll get inside when I can. There's a gap. But this is a controversial bit, isn't it? So these backlights. And this is the bit I wasn't sure if I was going to like, but in the flesh, it works. I think it really does work. There's a charge port area here. But this looks really good in the flesh. So I'm actually impressed with it. Really nice detail inside here as well. I'll show you in there. Oh, conveniently someone's opened the boot. So here we go. So a bit like the Ioniq 5, it's got a sort of slightly shallower boot than you might expect, with quite a slope here, but it's big. It's got over 500 litres of space. Should we just have a little look underneath here? There's a little storage area all the way underneath the car. Very good. And the reverse lights are actually, and these little lights down here are actually reverse lights, reflectors. That's how it looks at the boot open. Now, one of the really cool features I liked about this when I did the presentation just now is that it has a system that detects if there is going to be a car passing. So let's say there's a child in the back seat and he goes to open the door. If the car detects that there's a motorbike or cyclist coming past, it will actually stop the doors from opening. And that's a good feature, isn't it? Okay, let's show you the back here. This one's obviously got heated seats. Nice material. Sort of, I don't know if it's actually vented, but kind of like a sort of suede type finish, as you can see. And then sort of leatherette or leather finish around here. Sort of pockets. Actually feels a bit cheap and plasticky, that bit, but it's a good idea. And here, what have we got? We've got a ski hatch. Storage there, very good. And it looks like these seats split there. So yeah, sort of 60-40 split. And there's actually a button here. What does that do? Oh, that brings the backrest. So these are adjustable backrests, front and back. Now, this is where I think things really do get interesting. How do you open this? There we go. Look at the shape of these wing mirrors actually before getting there. I noticed this is kind of a odd shape. It's cool. I'm getting the camera under there. But let me show you in here. Look at some of the fit and finish in here. This is lovely. Got some nice mixture of materials. It's purple accent lighting, I love. The features here, this looks great. That's that inductive charging there.
You said that one's fully
Got some ambient lighting under here. USB-C, USB-A. Is that USB-A? Yeah, it looks like it. Pretty good sized glove box in there. This one's got the Meridian sound system, which will follow, not on all the models, but it's on this one. And the seats do have this recline option. I don't know if this has got it. Looks like it should have. And they call it the anti-gravity seat. You see how that reclines right back, so you can lay in the car and have a sleep whilst you're charging. 800 volt system this, so it charges fast. No one actually quite knows the exact charging speed in numbers. That's a few of the people here have been on the training course and they were saying it's a charge in 18 minutes, but they don't know how many kilowatt charging speed. Somebody thought 200, somebody thought 300. I guess we'll find out when we get our hands on one. So this is kind of nice. You got heated steering wheel, heated seats. That looks like it must have vented seats as well, which is good. You see a control there for the gear selector, cameras for the back, and then this is a pre-production car, so I don't know what this is going to show. Power must be on. Valet mode, quiet mode. So it's 49% battery, showing a range of 138 miles, so 280 odd perhaps on a full charge, which has 77, I think it's a kilowatt hour battery, so yeah, sounds perfectly plausible. Okay, and all the functions are on here, so it's not. Let's have a look. See if this is working. Let's have a look. Yeah. Lovely. I can see this in like a little night view by the look of it. That's pretty good. Let's go back to here, home. Navigation, radio.
Loads more room than the CRV.
Oh, turn the sound on somewhere. Where's the volume? Oh, there it is. Look. Let's turn that down. Very good. It's nice. What do you guys think? You like it?
Love it.
Good. I actually really like it. Yeah, it's nice. Nice little mixture of materials. Some nice vents up there.
What do you think? Yes.
Okay, this is what you see from the driver's side. So, the seat's a long way back at the moment, just moving that forward. It's all two-spoke steering wheel. Feels like quite a big steering wheel. Obviously I can't turn the car on, so I can't show you anything here. And he was saying that some of this might change a little bit. This is pre-production, sort of a mule, this car. So we got down here. Hold, open the charge flap at the back there. Big cabin brightness, illumination, yeah. Window controls. It's got memory seats. And we've got obviously some steering wheel controls here as well. Drive mode, I presume, probably goes between kind of economy and sporty. When the fastest one of these comes out, it's pretty quick. Yeah, it's like 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, I think it is. So that sounds pretty fast. So all this cabin storage space here is pretty good, although you kind of got this slightly awkward angle, but at least you could sort of throw some bits in there. Inductive phone charger here, then on the armrest. This is what we've got. Don't know if you can pick that up. But that's quite a big, deep storage bin here. You can get bottles of water in there quite easily. Some more here. Shiny black. Manufacturers keep doing this. This would be another one for Alcantara trimmings, I think. But it does look nice. Some manual air vents there. Yeah, it's got some nice details. Shame I can't turn it on. Now, what we do have here are paddles. And with this, I think it was saying there's 6, might be 7, but there's about 6 different regen settings. So you can really do, you know, strong regen, one pedal driving, or go to, I presume, a coast mode. Looks like we got lane assist and distance control alongside your cruise control. What is this? Just notice this phone projection. Oh, it's just for CarPlay, so that's good. There we go. Yeah, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, we'll see in here. Settings menu, I don't know if we can do much in here. Key Connect, General. Alright, I think I'm being kicked out, so I have to go now. Okay, but I have to say I quite like it. Right, I'm in my driving position, Serge. Do you want to jump in behind me? Right, let's just check for behind my driving position. Let's see how much room. There's Serge, you all know Serge, isn't it? There we go. I think it's pretty good, eh? Yeah, there's plenty of room, and the bases, seats are higher up, aren't they, than the front? Serge has got his legs out today as well, not just me. It's pretty hot outside. And you're all right for headroom?
Yeah, like,
It's a little bit sort of enclosed there, I guess, isn't it? But it's pretty good.
yeah.
What's that button there? Oh, it's got a USB.
USB-C on the side of the...
Okay, that's good. Let's get airbag in the seat. This is kind of strange, isn't it? Good. Okay, well, there's your preview of the Kia EV6. I have to say, for me, in the flesh, I think it's better than I thought it would be. I think it really works. Really interesting car. Really good. When I get my hands on one of these, I want to see how fast it can charge with that 800 volt charging system. But there you go. Kia EV6. Like it or not like it? Personally, I like it. Thanks for watching. Hope that's been interesting for now. These will be coming out in showrooms fairly soon. So just a few weeks now to wait until they get their demo cars, and then actually some deliveries available in just a few weeks' time as well. So looking like September. Should be good. Should be exciting. I think if you've ordered one of these, you should be excited. It's just another really good EV alternative out there, isn't it? And quite distinctive looking as well. I'll just go around the car again now, extending this because the crowds have gone. They've given me an extra couple of minutes. There we go. Okay, I think we better wrap it up for there now. Thanks to Kia Hyundai in Ferndown in Dorset for letting us look at this car. It's been great. You like it, Serge?
Yeah, I love it.
Cool.
Good.
All right, see you soon. Thanks for watching.